Hey everybody, it's FutureInventions here, and say you just got a new skin for your iPad, iPod Touch, or any other device, but you want to have a screen shield on it, but you're worried that, when you take your skin off, it'll pull off your screen shield, or maybe you just want to take your skin off after a while, and you want to swap them without having to get a new screen shield every time, or something like that. I came up with a pretty good idea. So what you will need is a screen shield, of course, as well as the cutout of whatever skin you are using. This is a screen cutout, and you're going to want to put this right by this little thing, the step 1 thing, and you're going to want to kind of overlap it, and you want to put it at the top too, so that you don't have to cut that. And you can lay it down, make sure it fits okay on your iPad. So then you're going to need some tape, scissors, a pen, piece of paper, and anything you would use to apply your screen shield. Okay, now when you get to the top, you can see the reason why we started at the top here, so that we don't have to cut this part off. So all you're going to do is just, like you normally would, let's go from the back so it's a little bit easier for me. I'm right-handed. And we are going to cut just like that. And it should look like this. Okay, so now that we have cut this, it is a good idea to try to match it up. So we're going to put it on here and make sure that it's not overlapping at all. So this should be so good, so precise that you can't take this off unless you actually flip the iPad or device over. And now we know that it's perfect. Now for the next step. Okay, now you're going to need your pen, scissors, tape, and paper. So first what we're going to write is, with this pen, is step 2 on the top of the paper, because we just cut off step 1 a little bit, and step 2 isn't even on here where it should be. So we're going to write that, and then we're going to pretty quickly cut it out. And now with our little piece of paper that says step 2, we're going to flip this over and position it right here. And then take some tape. You can rip it or you can cut it. So now I'm cutting a piece of tape. And then you are just going to firmly tape this on the top. Make sure you use pretty strong tape, because you don't want this to come off, and you want to be able to peel off this part of the screen shield with this. And also, it's pretty crucial that you get the tape right up to the top here. Okay, so now you're done making your screen shield, and now all you have to do is follow your instructions and apply it. Also, don't be afraid to cut the edges a little bit. I had to do this to make this fit just a little bit better. And now with everything else done, all we have to do in the end is just peel up the part 2 piece of tape and stuff, and just there you have it. So we just put on a screen shield with a case on, and it looks perfect. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this works for you, and please subscribe, rate, and comment. Bye.